Hi, my name is Bruce Mackenzie, and I'm here to introduce to you the accounting in IFRIC 22, Foreign Currency Transactions and Advanced Consideration. Now, in December 2016, the International Accounting Standards Board issued an interpretation on the requirements in IAS 21 on the effects of changes in foreign exchange. This interpretation addresses how to determine the date of transaction for the purpose of determining the spot exchange rate used to translate the asset, expense, or income on initial recognition that relates to a non-monetary prepayment asset or a non-monetary deferred income liability. Now, to illustrate the question, assume I am a euro functional currency company. I decide to import equipment for $1 million from a US supplier. Now, I'm required to pay the purchase price of $1 million on the 1st of June, with the machine being delivered to me on the 1st of July. IAS 21 states that I should recognize the equipment at the spot rate on the date of the transaction. For which spot rate? 1st of June or 1st of July? Now, the IFRIC outreach showed that there was diversity in practice on how people were applying IAS 21 to such circumstances. As a result, the IFRIC issued an interpretation stating that the transaction date under IAS 21 would be the earlier of the date of initial recognition of the non-monetary prepayment asset or the non-monetary deferred income liability, and the date that the asset, expense, or income is recognized in the financial statements. So going back to our example, we would firstly recognize the prepayment asset on the 1st of June at the spot rate on that date. When the machine is received on the 1st of July, we would de-recognize the prepayment asset and recognize the fixed asset at that value. Key to note is that we would not retranslate the asset based on changes in the rate between the 1st of June and the 1st of July. But what about multiple payments? For example, what if I'm purchasing the machine for $1 million and I had to pay $700,000 on the 1st of June and the remaining $300,000 when the machine was delivered on the 1st of July? Well, in such cases, the date of the transaction is established for each stage of the transaction. So in my example, I would translate the $700,000 on the rate at the 1st of June and the $300,000 on the rate on the 1st of July. The machine would therefore be recorded at the sum of these two translated balances. Now, there are a number of working examples in this Appendix to IFRIC 22 to assist you with the application of the standard. So when is it effective? The interpretation is effective for periods beginning on or after 1st of January 2018. You may early adopt it if you'd like to. When adopting IFRIC 22, you can elect to apply it either retrospectively or prospectively. That's IFRIC 22. Take care.